So as I was saying, right? Yeah. So this is the page whereby you are going to download the blueprint, right? On top of the additional part that I'm doing for you, it will be emailed to you when you provide me the email where to send to. And in order to save you time, right, you can also click on this button to download. Okay. And let me activate this to show you what do I mean. Yeah, that's the exact blueprint that you are going to receive when you decided to provide me the email, right? Exactly, right? The step-by-step way of how do you advance yourself, right? From level one of using the AI tool to a more advanced level that what I'm showing you right now to create things for you, to use it like a consultant for you, right? Okay. Yeah, can you see? Right. So this is what you're getting when you decided to download it. All right. And let me revert back to, and at the same time, when you are on this page, right? Sorry, when you are on this page, right? I'm going to provide you an offer that so that you will be doing this with guidance now when you have the blueprint. You do not need to be doing it on your own to figure out on your own, especially for the beginners. You have no idea, like even you have that document in front of you, you don't know what to do. So I have a step-by-step, a 7 days challenge for you put together, also created with the idea came from me and the AI helped me to build it, right? Because of my past experience, right, in this area. So I'm able to, bounce off ideas with my AI too. And this is what it presented. You see how professionally done it is. And it only costs $10 for the entire this 7 days challenge. And you get to keep it because it will be your own private membership area that you will get to access all these resources. Yeah. And there you have it. So okay, do you now learn a little bit more, right, from my introduction of how you can, right, unstuck yourself from a level 1 AI user to be level 3 and even 4. And of course, last but not least, right, because I'm going to make this video and I'm going to do paid advertising to it, right? So I will make it our language in this video properly so that I can subsequently go and run online advertising to my video here to promote, right, to more people aspiring, especially aspiring network marketers, affiliate marketers, and small business owners, right, to pivot, right, right, online to build their own ecosystem, digital business system, so that and with the help of the AI, right? Not by learning on your own, no. To quicken the entire process in just 7 days, right? To make it happen for you. And not only that, if you are a slow learner, you need to go beyond the 7 days, right? Because of you downloading my AI cheat sheet, the blueprint, right? You will be invited to my private community whereby you continue to get the opportunity to have access to me, right? Right, and some, the other fellow aspiring, right, learners as well, so that you are not alone, right? We can encourage each other from that. Okay, so if you have watched this far, right, now you have understand clearly what are you getting and what you will be learning, right, very soon, right, and you will be advancing your marketing skill sets, right, from the old school way of doing things to the modern and digital way, right, by downloading my AI blueprint that I prepare for you, right, and it is being, right, screened through, right, properly by a powerful AI platform like this one that I've just shown you earlier on. So that means it's not making any mistakes here, not a human being, trying to remember what are my past experience to put together this. No, it began with an idea and the AI built according to what I wanted to achieve and who I want to serve to put together this thing, right? So it is definitely very credible for you to go and diligently follow it, apply it, right? Okay, and become your own skill sets. And I also wish upon you that in the future you can go on to be someone coach, mentor, of that sort, which is the path that I have taken, right? Okay, so what you're saying me today is what in the future potentially can be you as well. Okay, so now comment below this video if you are not seeing any link or that you can download, right? Comment below this video AI, right? Or if you see around this video because on other social media platform, I can provide you the direct link, right? Just click on the link, provide me your email, right? Your name, and you can proceed to go on and no time wasting, no fluff, right? Okay, and you download this AI blueprint. Okay, so I look forward to serving you, right, in the future. And I'll see you in my next, right, tutorial video about AI.